Hey everyone, today we've got an incredibly insightful topic for you. We are going to guide you through the steps on how to excel in your influencer marketing campaigns while steering clear of the common pitfalls that can hinder your success. Whether you are a brand eager to collaborate with influencers or an influencer looking to enhance your partnerships, this video is your comprehensive roadmap. Grab a notebook because we are about to embark on a thorough exploration of this exciting subject. Step number 1. Setting clear campaign goals. Let us begin our journey by emphasizing the importance of setting clear campaign goals. It is not just the first step, it is the cornerstone of a successful influencer marketing strategy. Here is your step-by-step guide. Precisely define your objectives. Select one or two key goals. Example given: enhancing visibility, elevating branding, boosting conversions. Tailor your campaign to achieve these goals. For instance, if you are aiming to boost your brand's visibility, influencers can encourage their followers to share your content with relevant hashtags. If your goal is conversion, influencers can spotlight your products and offer exclusive discount codes. The key is to have a crystal clear, well-defined goal from the outset to provide your campaign with a solid sense of direction. Step number 2. Choosing the perfect influencers. Now, let's dive into the process of selecting the ideal influencers for your campaign. The key here is to choose influencers whose audience aligns with your brand's target demographic. Here is a comprehensive approach. Harness influencer marketing platforms for comprehensive insights. Scrutinize the data: average age, gender distribution, geographic location. Identify and avoid counterfeit influencers. Anticipate results through key performance indicators. Platforms like InfluenceCity can supply you with valuable insights to empower you to make well-informed decisions. It is all about finding the perfect match that establishes an authentic connection with your intended audience. Step number 3. Quality over quantity. In the world of influencers, sometimes less is more. It is often more effective to value quality over quantity. Collaborating with micro-influencers who possess a dedicated and engaged audience can yield more effective results compared to partnering with larger, more generalized profiles. Here is your detailed approach. Evaluate compatibility with your brand's identity. Focus on specific topics or niches. Tailor your approach to align with the specific objects of your campaign. The crux is to consider your brand's essence and what you aspire to achieve with your campaign. Establishing synergy with influencers who share your values and hold expertise in your niche can create a significant impact. Step number 4. Effective communication with influencers. Effective communication with your chosen influencers is another pivotal factor for success. Misunderstandings can lead to unmet expectations and wasted time. To circumvent this, create a comprehensive brief that encompasses every detail. Convey your brand's objectives with precision. Clearly define acceptable actions and restrictions. Specify the timeline. Include relevant hashtags, mentions, and required URLs. It is imperative for influencers to adhere to the briefing to guarantee a successful collaboration that resonates with your brand's vision. Step number 5. Proficiently interpreting metrics. Lastly, let us delve into the art of proficiently interpreting metrics. Establishing key performance indicators or KPIs is pivotal to gauge your campaign's success. Here is your comprehensive guide. Define specific KPIs. Scrutinize metrics at different levels: individual parts, influencers, social platforms, campaigns. Formulate insightful, data-driven decisions. Grasping these metrics at varying levels empowers you with invaluable insights to formulate data-driven decisions and optimize your influencer marketing strategy. With that, we conclude our guide on how to excel in your influencer marketing campaigns and sidestep common missteps. We hope you found this video enlightening and valuable. Always remember, it all begins with a well-defined objective, the meticulous selection of influencers, and emphasis on quality over quantity, effective communication, and proficient metric interpretation. Should you have inquiries, seek additional guidance, or Wish to share your experiences? Do not hesitate to leave a comment below. We are always here to lend a hand. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to achieve success with influencer marketing. 8 inspiring campaign examples. Thanks for watching, and I will see you onto the next one.